Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your personal hotspot. So if personal hotspot not working on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find personal hotspot and just check if you add here Wi-Fi password, and also check if you turn on here allow others to join. So just check this thing. So after, you need to have cellular data turned on, and because you just share your cellular data to another user. So here you can see how you can connect it. So just take another device, just find your you will find Wi-Fi network with name of your device. So after, you need to try to enter password to your device, to your Wi-Fi, and it will successfully connect you to this network. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.